Hello, I am Nagarathnamma, Assistant Professor of Computer Science Department GFGC KR from Bangalore North University. I am a participant of online short-term course organized from 23rd 8 2022 to 29th August 2022 by UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad, and I am going to deliver my presentation on switching networks. The learning objective from this session, the students can understand the concept of switching network and they should know the difference between the different types of switching networks and they understand the comparison of the switching networks and students can able to know how the data is transmitted in different networks and students able to know about the circuit switching. Students can able to know about the packet and message switching, the comparison of the switching networks. What is a switching network? Switching network consists of a series of interlinked nodes called switches. The switches are devices capable of creating temporary connection between two or more devices linked to switch. In a switched network, some of these nodes are connected to the end system. Traditionally, three methods of switching have been important, that is circuit switching, packet switching and message switching. So first we will see the circuit switching. Circuit switching and telephone network. A circuit switched network consists of a set of switches connected by physical links. A connection between two stations is a dedicated path made up of one or more links. However, each connection uses only one dedicated channel on each link, and each link is normally divided into n channels by using FDM or TDM, that is frequency division multiplexing or time division multiplexing. The three phases of circuit switching networks are actually, the actual communication in the circuit switching network requires three phases. One is connection setup, data transfer, and connection teardown. Before the two parties or multiple parties in the conference call can communicate a dedicated circuit, the combination of the channels in the link need to be established. The end systems are normally connected through dedicated lines to the switches. So, connection setup means creating dedicated channels between the switches. Data transfer phase. The next phase is data transfer phase. After the establishment of the dedicated circuits or channels, the two parties can transfer data. The next phase is teardown phase. In the teardown phase, when one of the two parties need to be disconnected, a signal is sent to each switch to release the resources. Packet switching. The next type of switching network is packet switching. Packet switching is a digital networking communications method that groups all transmitted data regardless of content, type or structure into suitably sized blocks called the packets. The packet switching features delivery of variable bitrate of data streams over a shared network. When a when a traversing network adapter switches, routers and other network nodes, packets are buffered and queued, resulting in variable delay and throughput depending on the traffic load in the network. Packet switching contrasts with another principal networking paradigm, circuit switching, a method which sets up a limited number of dedicated connections of context bit rates and constant delay between the nodes of the exclusive use during the communication session. Packet switched network can further be divided into two subcategories, that is virtual circuit network and datagram network. In datagram network, each packet is treated independently of all other. Even if a packet is the part of multi-packet transmission, the network treats it has though it is existed alone. Packets in this approach are referred as the datagrams. The datagram switching is normally done at the network layer. The datagram networks are sometimes referred to as a connectionless network. The term connectionless means the switching or the packet switch doesn't keep any information about the connection state. There is no setup or teardown phases. Each packet is treated as the same by the switch regardless of its source or destination. The two major packet switching mode exist: connectionless packet switching, that is network datagram switching; connection oriented packet switching, that is called virtual circuit switching. In the first case, each packets include the complete address or the routing information. The packets are routed individually, sometimes resulting in different paths and out of delivery. In the second phase of connection, it is defined as the pre-allocated in each involved in the node during a connection phase before any packet is transferred. Next type of switching network is message switching. A message switching is a logical unit of information and can be of any length. In the message switching, if a station wishes to send a message to the another station, it first adds the destination address to the message. Each message is treated as an individual unit. In message switching, each complete message is then transmitted from device to device through the internet world. This is about the message switching. The comparison of these three circuit, packet and message switching, that is, there is a dedicated path in the circuit switching, there is no dedicated path in packet and also in the message switching. And the path is established for the entire conversation. The route is established for the each packet for the each conversation. And the call setup, there is a call setup delay, and in the packet switching there is a packet transmission delay. And overload may block call setup. Here overload increases the packet delay. There is a fixed bandwidth in the circuit switching. In the packet switching, there is a dynamic bandwidth and also in the message switching. No overhead bits after call setup is made. Overhead bits in the packet in the each packets in the packet switching and also in the message switching. This is about the comparisons. In this session, we discussed about the switching networks, circuit switching network, packet switching network, message switching, and also comparison of all switching networks. And from this course, I learned about all the e-content learning for the blending learning, introduction to the soft skills, the tools of the e-content, and how to add the Facebook and Instagram links to the websites, Wix websites, presentation, PPT, PowerPoint tricks for the rapid e-learning content development, I understanding the website development of most content development, ICT tools, and adding social media fields in the Wix, multimedia resources for the education types and the examples, Microsoft Tools one-point solution, and I also know how to prepare a most proposals and where to apply. So these are all the things I learned from this course. I, Nagarathnamma, thank UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University Ahmedabad for providing me an opportunity to join online short-term course. Thank you.